Hi folks, and in this video what we're going to do is we're actually going to change some of the code that we previously created. So we had a account screen and logon screen, which was of course appearing with the data of multiple purchases over time, and I really didn't like that. I didn't like how it actually looked. So I decided to go back, did a bit of exploring with the engine, and realized there's a much simpler system for removing items from our shopping basket. So in that case, I'm going to show you it, which is quite nice. So after we have all the information from our till button, so this is when you press the confirm purchase button on your till, you're then going to have a create viewport removing the widget which goes to the account screen, which is going to be where all our final data is kept, and then a viewport screen. And then we had a cast to the actual game mode for the shopping game mode, and then we had some information which actually did some stuff to the end of it. What we're going to do is something a bit differently this time. So under this game mode, we're actually going to drag out and get the shopping basket again, and we're also going to now set the shopping basket as well, just like so. And with this, there's two reasons. So when we break the shopping basket, there you go, we actually have all the data of the current array of it. And within arrays, there's a really useful function called clear array, which is amazing. So all we're going to do is clear the actual shopping basket, which makes a lot of sense when you really think about it. But then, because we have the object value at the end, which is calculated after this clear, before this clear happens, we then have to clear that as well, which is the more abstract thing for what we're going to have to do here. So we're going to, with this, then make a shopping basket. Let's just connect that set to that clear, so it runs through a chain. Fantastic. And what we're then going to do is set it to the actual current object names, which at this point it actually clears before it then does this, because remember, in all computing you literally do things in order in which you're trying to deliver them. So this information will actually be clear when it goes into this setup, and so will this. And then we just need to return the value of the total objects to 0. So now if we go and play it, it should all work. So if we log on as Simon3, pass for password, let's buy Gloomhaven, it appears in the first index this time. Fantastic. 100 credits, excellent stuff. Purchase history, done. Let's log on again. Let's buy 2 items. Let's buy Root and Dune this time. Fantastic. 50 credits, why not? That's my remaining. And there we go. All purchased in the correct order as well. So now, folks, we have a much more optimized system for how we're dealing with our actual shopping basket. And other than that, I don't think there's much more that we can do with this at this moment in time. We have the basics of a actual shopping till system that we can now use to actually buy items within game. The only other major thing I could think about would be creating sort of credit scheme that we could add into the account. Maybe that's something for future videos, but for now, this is the series at an end, and we have some very nice user interface information, sending data across from master data, of course, which is kept in our lovely account structure, all the information regarding the actual shopping basket itself, which of course we then clear when we go to purchase the items. We then have all the objects within the shop, so if you want to just add some more objects into your shop, we can now do so. We'll play around with the UI if you wanted to add more items in. And other than that, folks, we have a very, very rudimentary system for a electronic payment operating system for your game. So now you can go on and create some cool stuff with it, hopefully. Thank you for watching.